Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do some amazing exercises for strong lower back pain. You can start doing them at the end of the acute phase. Consult your doctor first and let's dive in. And we're gonna start with just some cat and cow pose. Keep your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your knees directly beneath your hips. Find your balance and get ready to move. This exercise is very common, but we're gonna change breathing type to make a good decompression for the vertebral discs. So, inhale, exhale, and while doing a new inhale, round your back as much as possible. This is where the magic begins. Yeah, that's a little bit uncomfortable, but so relieving for the lower back. You need to round thoracic and lumbar spine, curve pelvis down, tuck your chin in towards your belly button. While doing inhale, imagine like rib cage is going wider, and all the lungs are filling with the air. Inhale and round your back. Stay in the rounded position for 2 seconds and exhale. Try to fill the bottom of lungs with air and expand the lower ribs. Now let's return to a neutral spine position. The next exercise is pelvic tilts. Perform this movement steadily, ensuring that you shift your pelvis forward and backward without involving entire body. Concentrate on engaging the hip and lower back region. Keep your head facing down to avoid straining your neck, and breathe naturally throughout the exercise. Inhale and exhale in a rhythmic manner, allowing oxygen to flow in and out. For starters, aim for around 10 to 15 repetitions to become accustomed to the motion. As you develop strength and confidence, you can gradually increase the number of repetitions. The pelvic tilt exercise is effective for strengthening your core and enhancing your posture. It specifically targets the hip and lower back area, providing them with the tension they need and deserve. We continue, and now we have pelvic circles while standing on all fours. Begin by slowly moving your hips in a circular motion. As you move your hips, make sure to keep your upper body stable. Avoid arching in your back or rounding your shoulders. Focus on isolating the movement to your hip area. After completing 10 circles in one direction, switch it up and go in the opposite direction. Engage your core muscles by drawing your belly button in towards your spine. This will help stabilize your torso throughout the exercise. Next exercise that can help to reduce lower back pain is pelvic side shifts. The principle remains the same. We stand on all fours, palms under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Now shift your hips from side to side, avoiding arching in your lower back. Keep your body stable. Feel the core engaged. Breathe naturally. Keep the movement smooth and controlled throughout the exercise. Maintain a steady rhythm and avoid any jerky or sudden motions. Now lateral line stretch. Push one knee forward, straighten the other leg and place it on the toes. Shift it towards the bent leg side. Place both palms on the floor and also shift them in the same direction, creating a semicircle. Feel gentle stretching in the area above the pelvis, around the lower back, in oblique and intercostal muscles. And repeat on the other side. An important point, pull the heel of the straight leg towards the floor, and with the palms reach the opposite direction, creating tension along the entire lateral surface of the body. Does it feel good? Please share your feelings in the comments. It's important for me to get your feedback so that I can create the most effective routines. Okay, let's continue. And now we have sitting hip rotation. Now we are getting our hip joints ready for the next position. The next exercise is piriformis muscle stretch. So sit on your buttocks and bend both legs so that your knees are at approximately 90 degrees angle. Place your hands on either side of the front foot and lean your chest towards the foot. Remember to keep your back straight throughout the movement. The piriformis muscle is located deep in the buttock region, and when it becomes tight or tense, it can contribute to discomfort and even radiating pain in the lower back. Okay, now grab the shin with the opposite hand and tilt from the front bent leg. With the other hand, cover yourself from above near the ear. Try to pull the lower shoulder towards the knee and keep the chest aligned with the pelvis. I will attach a picture for you so that you can see which area you need to focus on. Now, when we want to stretch it, we're going to create some space between those attachment points. Alright, let's do those two exercises on the other side too. Now we are targeting the piriformis muscle, which is located near the sciatic nerve. It's important to find balance and not lean to one side. Instead, bring both buttocks towards the ground. Lower your body forward with the abdomen and chest, not with your head. Feel the tension in the buttock of the front leg. And if you have muscle spasm in your back, there may also be tension in the lower back from the front leg. Stretching the quadratus lumborum muscle is important when experiencing lower back pain, because this muscle plays a significant role in stabilizing the lower spine and pelvis. When the quadratus lumborum muscle is tight or tense, it can contribute to discomfort and imbalances in the lower back. Additionally, stretching this muscle can also help address any muscular imbalances or asymmetries that may be contributing to the pain. Lie down on your back, allowing your body to relax into the mat. So the next one is articulating bridge. Bend your knees, keeping your feet hip-width apart and flat on the mat. Slowly lift your hips over the mat, creating a bridge. Let this movement flow smoothly, allowing your spine to articulate and roll upward one vertebra at a time. With the same grace, lower your spine back down to the mat, starting with lower ribs, allowing each vertebra to release and connect with the mat. It is focused on improving core strength, spinal mobility, and stability. Now we continue with piriformis and glute stretch. Lie on your back, bend your knees and cross one leg over the other. Reach with your hands to pull the knees toward the opposite shoulder, feeling a gentle and pleasant stretch in the glute of the closer leg. Hold for 15-30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Sometimes when that muscle gets tense, it also can put pressure on the nerve. The next exercise targets the abdominal muscles, particularly the deep stabilizing muscles, so relying on the back like a happy little bug. Activate your core, sucking your belly button towards your spine and keep those abs engaged throughout the exercise. Extend your arms up toward the ceiling. Lift your legs, making sure your knees are stacked over the hips. Hold this position, making sure your core is still engaged and your back stays nice and cozy on the ground. After 30, 40 or even 60 seconds of isometric hold, bring your arms and legs down. We continue lying on our back. Extend your legs and place the heel tendon of your right leg between the first and second toes of left foot. On the exhale, rotate your hips to the right and turn your head to the left, creating a stretch in the sacrum area. It's like pressing the top foot onto the bottom foot, pulling it towards the ground. And repeat on the other side. Come to the end of our workout and it's time for a delightful stretch that targets the posterior chain. Find a comfortable spot to sit and keep a soft pillow nearby. As you settle into your seated position, draw your buttocks back, feeling the press of your sitting bones on the ground. Bend your knees and take a deep breath, and so you exhale, slowly lean forward, allowing your abdomen and chest to rest on your thighs. Lower your head gently, aiming to touch your forehead to your shins. Remember, it's perfectly fine if you can't reach the full stretch right away. If needed, use the pillow to support your head and release any tension in your neck muscles. With your hands, grasp your feet and softly pull them towards you. Hold this position for around 30 seconds or more, allowing yourself to sink into the stretch. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and let your body melt into a state of deep relaxation. Feel the tension along the entire posterior chain of your body, from your feet to the base of your skull. Take note of where the tension is stronger and whether it feels the same on both sides. And we're done! If you enjoyed the workout and want to show some love, please hit the like button and leave a comment below the video. Your support means a lot to me and my channel. Thank you one more time and see you later!